Hi everyone, I'm Steve, Head of Community Growth and Developer Relations at Codex Field. Whether you're shipping code from Tokyo, training models in Bangkok, or pushing commits from Sydney, I have a message for you. The work you're already doing is worth way more than you're getting paid for it. Let me tell you what I see every day across Asia Pacific. Developers in Seoul building components that power hundreds of applications. AI teams in Singapore creating models that get millions of calls. Engineers from Jakarta to Manila shipping libraries that become critical infrastructure. And here's the kicker. Most of you see zero revenue when your work actually gets used. And you know what's crazy? The internet really runs on code and models from your region. Asia Pacific developers ship fast, we ship quality, and we ship at scale. When someone uses your components in production, when they call your model 1,000 times per day, when they build the entire product on your library, you get nothing. Maybe a GitHub star if you're lucky. The current system is broken. You publish great work, companies use it to make money, and you're supposed to be happy with exposure. Meanwhile, you're answering support tickets for free, maintaining critical code on weekends and watching others build businesses on foundations you created. At Codex Field, we looked at this and said, what if every time someone used your code, you got paid? Not for downloading, not for starring it, but for actually using it. What if your Git workflow could connect directly to a revenue stream? Here is what we built. You push your code the same way you always have. We just add a layer that proves you own it and lets you set the terms of how others use it. Personal use, free, startup tier, $10 per 1,000 calls, enterprise, custom pricing. When someone calls your work, it's tracked, transparent, and you get paid automatically. I'll show you exactly what this looks like. You have a JavaScript library. You push it with Git D, which is basically Git plus ownership. You set your pricing. Let's say 1 cent per 100 calls. A startup uses your library and makes 10,000 calls this month. That's $1. Not much, right? But 50 startups are using it, that's $50. A few enterprises come in at higher tiers. Suddenly, you're looking at monthly income from code you already wrote. And this isn't theoretical. We launched our testnet with real developers across APEC. We've got 85,000 users on our Telegram mini app. We're processing actual usage, actual payments. Developers from Ho Chi Minh City to Melbourne are already turning their existing work into revenue streams. And for AI builders, it's even more powerful. You're not just selling a model download anymore. You're charging per inference. Your prompt templates, charge per use. Your curated datasets, price them per access. Every time someone fine-tunes using your data, you get paid. The value flows back to the people who actually created it. Now, I know you're thinking, another Web3 project promising to revolutionize everything. But here's the difference. We're not just asking you to change your work. Keep using Git. Keep your existing workflow. We're just adding a revenue layer to what you're already doing. My job across APEC is simple. I'm here to help developers in our region turn their work into assets. Not in some abstract crypto sense, but in a real sense. You built it, people use it, you get paid. We're running workshops in your time zone, building local developer communities in your language. And most importantly, we're here to answer the question, how do I turn this build into something that pays me? And here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one thing that you've built that you're proud of. Maybe it's that utility library you maintain. Maybe it's that model you train. Maybe it's that dataset you curated. That one thing could be generating revenue by next week. Join us at CodexField.com. Bring your code, set your terms, and start getting paid for the value you've already created. Because the truth is, APEC developers have been subsidizing the global tech economy for too long. It's time we got paid for the infrastructure that we built. The future isn't about hoping for donations or grateful tweets. It's about automatic, transparent, usage-based revenue for the work that you do. And the future is available right now. I'm Steve, and I'm here to help Apex developers get what they deserve. See you at CodexField.com. Thank you.